this demo, we will show you how to populate your Enlighten Aquarium and then go through how to apply your upgraded license for Enlighten Aquarium. To populate your aquarium, ensure you have imported a dataset into Power BI. Once this is done, we can add Enlighten Aquarium to your Power BI dashboard. We can now drag across the metrics we want to visualize. In this case, country will be represented by fish, and gross sales will be represented by fish size. As you can see, we have now added fish to our Enlighten Aquarium. To use your upgraded license, you will need to enter your unlock key. To do this, open the Format Visual pane under Visualizations. Then click Unlock Key. Paste your key into the text box. Once this is done, you can verify your license has been accepted by the removal of the callout at the bottom of your Enlighten Aquarium. Now we can explore the upgraded features of your Enlighten Aquarium. One of the features that people like to change is the theme of their Enlighten Aquarium. There are 2 more themes that are unlocked with an upgraded license: Seafloor and Dusk. There are also a few more designs of the fish that you can use. You can also toggle labels on the fish. These are just a few of the customization options available with Enlighten Aquarium's licenses. Dive in and explore them all.